As we move along in this process, the amount of reading you do on each day will decrease as we want you focusing all your efforts on taking action. That is going to be the key to you winning and growing your email list during these 30 days. In this section, let's explore the process of setting up your autoresponder. If you already have an autoresponder you are happy with, then you can skip this step and move to day number 3 either now or tomorrow. This step is a little more technical, but simple enough that anyone can complete it. I will give you direct links to helpful online tutorials you need to complete the various steps mentioned straight from the 4 main companies I will be recommending you get started with. One must-have software tool you need for building an email list is an autoresponder. This will act as your database for storing your email addresses, help automate your list building, give you the necessary opt-in forms needed to grow your list, and allow you to gain new email subscribers. There are many autoresponders online, but I am going to share with you 4 of the most popular ones. The top 2, Aweber and GetResponse, are the most widely used autoresponders for online businesses. Please do not allow yourself to get too hung up here or worried about picking the perfect autoresponder for you. The most important thing is that you choose an autoresponder. All 4 of these do what you need. It comes down to pricing and a comfort level. You can visit each one and get an idea on pricing. The pricing changes with these. I will say from a feature standpoint they all 4 offer about the same feature sets. Personally, from my experience I find Aweber to be the easiest one to work with out of the box, plus they are probably the most recognized in the autoresponder field. So that is why they top my list. 1. Aweber. 2. GetResponse. 3. MailChimp. 4. ActiveCampaign. For this step, you need to choose your autoresponder of choice, and then follow the steps on their website to create your first list that goes along with your lead magnet. So, if your lead magnet is a report on top 6 ways to lose weight fast, you could call your list something like Top 6 Report Lose Weight or something similar. To complete this step of setting up your first list, I will include a direct link to the help section for each of the 4 autoresponders mentioned above. You need to set up your account with them and then set up your email list. Aweber help section. Again, I personally find Aweber to be the easiest to work with. You can view their extensive and helpful video library here, https://videos.aweber.com/. You will want to bookmark this link for future reference if you selected Aweber as your autoresponder of choice. GetResponse help section. GetResponse is also a popular choice amongst online business owners. You can view their tutorials section from here, https://support.getresponse.com/tutorials.ga=177929376.1475 MailChimp help section. MailChimp is made popular because they offer your first 2,000 email subscribers free. You do need to double check their pricing model because once you get over the 2,000 subscribers you start paying a pretty penny potentially. So just be sure to compare pricing with the other autoresponder services. Also, of these 2,000 free subscribers you have a limit on sending 12,000 emails per month. So that limits how many messages you can send. If you do find them to be a good fit for you, then you can check out their tutorials from here, http://kb.mailchimp.com/. ActiveCampaign help section. One of the best things ActiveCampaign is more known for is they have powerful tagging in place. Some would argue their tagging rivals much more expensive email automation suite Infusionsoft. Their automation tools are also impressive, as is their clean video library. http://www.activecampaign.com/learn/ Definitely a good option to consider for your autoresponder. Day number 2 assignment. The assignment for day number 2 is to choose your autoresponder of choice. If you already have an autoresponder you can skip to day number 3. Just go with the autoresponder you are most comfortable with. Again, do not get stuck on this step. If you are at a loss, go with Aweber, as to me they are the easiest one to work with when starting out.